Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a website called Car Rental Management System. Nowadays, online car booking has become much more popular, really high in the world right now. People prefer to travel by cars that can be booked beforehand than catching a running taxi service. And it should be user friendly. It should be cover all and every aspect of the application, making easy to users. So in this website, we have four modules like mediator, driver, owner, and customer. Let's see the flow of this diagram. Website. So here, the mediator will log in into the website with the predefined credentials like email address, password, or username and password. So by using these login credentials, the mediator will log in into the website. After entering into the website, the mediator can add the cities which are nearby, which are related to website. So nearby website, the mediator will add the cities to the website and view the cities in a view cities page. So after adding the cities, the mediator can add the drivers by entering their details like name, email, password, license, and ID proof of the drivers. So by uploading all the information about the drivers, the mediator can add the drivers to the website and view the drivers in view drivers page. After adding the drivers, the owners will get registered into the website, and after registration, with the detail, it registration like details, name of the owner and address, phone number, email. By adding the all data about the owners will get registered into the website by clicking the register button. After registrations, owner will get login into the website with the login credentials like registered email address and password. After entering into the website, the owners can add the vehicles with the vehicle name, number, license, and ID proof, vehicle identification number, and also license. By uploading the vehicle details, the owner will add the vehicles to the website and view the vehicles in view vehicles page. So after adding the vehicles, the mediator can view those vehicles and make them certified by clicking the certify vehicles button. So after certifying the vehicles only, the owner will unlock those vehicles into the website. After unlocking the vehicles, the customers will get registered into this website with their details like email, phone, ID proof, and license. By uploading all the details about the customer, the customers will get registered and log in into the website with the registered email address and password. After login, the customer can view the vehicles which are added by the owner and certified by the mediator. Those vehicles will be displayed on the customer view vehicles page. By choosing the vehicles, the customer will send the vehicle request to this particular vehicle. So they will send the request for the owner, and by this request will be sent in both ways, like two ways. One is self-driving, and with second one is assigning driver. So if you send the request as self-drive by selecting the self-driving, the owner only will assign the car to the customer, and after completion of the 2 day time, the customer will pay the amount and they close this rental deal. So if the customer sent a request with the driver, so if the customer need driver with the car, this request will be sent to owner, and these requests will be viewed on the owner view bookings page. In that, the owner can approve this request and accept, or by clicking the accept or reject button, the owner will accept or reject the request of the customers. And after approving the request, the owner will forward this particular request to mediator. After forwarding to mediator, the mediator can view the bookings in the view bookings page. This request will be forwarded request will be displayed in the view bookings page. And after viewing the request, the mediator can assign the driver to that particular vehicle and After by selecting the name of the driver, the mediator can assign the driver. That particular driver will log in into the website with the email address and password. After logging into the website, the driver can view the bookings which are sent by the mediator, and in that bookings, the accept button will be there. So by accepting the booking, the driver will pick up the customer and drop the customer from the to and date. After completion of the journey, the customer pay the amount of that particular ride and give rating for that vehicle and also driver. So after giving the vehicles and driver ratings, the driver also can give the customer rating, no owner rating. These driver ratings will be displayed on the view ratings, and these given ratings will be also given viewed in the view ratings of the driver and customer, and give rating to customer. The owner will also give the rating to customer. So the customer ratings will be displayed on the view ratings page, and owner ratings will be displayed on the view ratings page of the owner. So like this, the application will work. So we'll see the output here. Now this is the home page for car rental management, and here we have a mediator. So we are logging into the mediator page now with username like mediator. And password. Login. This is the home page for mediator. Here the mediator will add the cities. So New York. By entering the name of the cities will be displayed here like this. In the same page only, the mediator can add and view the cities. So add driver with the driver name, email address, password, experience, phone number, upload insurance, and city, assign a city, and uploading a driver license. So we'll upload the driving license of the driver. Like this. By clicking the add driver button, the driver will be added to website. So driver added successfully. After adding the driver, sorry, the mediator can view the drivers which are added by him, and by clicking the reviews, here the reviews will be displayed and driving license will be displayed like this. Like this. Insurance will be displayed like this. So by clicking this activate and deactivate button, the action will be changed by the mediator. Driver actions will be changed. So view vehicles, we don't have any vehicles. So we'll get into the owner now. So sign up with owner. Sign up with owner with the owner name. Owner name, owner email address, phone number, password, address. Register. Registration successful. After registration, the owner will get logged into the website with the registered email address and password. This is the owner homepage. Here the owner can add the vehicles by entering the name of the vehicle, VIN number, vehicle number, and vehicle type, rent per day. New city, choose a city and rent per hour. So add vehicle. Vehicle added successfully. After adding the vehicles, the owner can view the vehicles in view vehicles page. So the ratings will be displayed like this, and here the ratings will be displayed, and this is the vehicle. The status will be here as not certified. So these status will be changed in the mediator page. So mediator can activate mediator can certify the cars. So view vehicles, and by clicking this certify button, the status will be changed as available. So you can also check this in owner page also. This is the view vehicles, and here the status will be changed as available. So after adding the vehicle, the customers will get registered into the website with the name, email address, phone number, password, ID proof, by uploading the ID proof, registration successful. Customer registration successful. After registration, customer will get logged into the website with the registered email address and password. So this is the homepage for customer, and here after entering into the homepage, the customers can view the vehicles which are added by owner, and here the request vehicle will be available. So by clicking the request vehicle, choose the from date, choose the to date and booking time. By adding this information, the cars will be requested. So I'm adding need driver first, request. So vehicle requested. This will be viewed in the view bookings page. Here we have booking status will be vehicle requested, and booking type is the needed driver. So after this, we'll log out from the website. This information, this booking will be displayed on the owner. This owner details will be displayed. So I'm log out in here and log in into the owner, and view bookings. In that we have two buttons like accept or reject. By checking all this information about the customer, if it is valid, they'll accept. If it is not valid, they'll reject the request. So I'm accepting here. So booking request accepted. So after accepting the request, this will be forwarded to mediator. So by clicking the forwarded to mediator, the status will be changed as forwarded to mediator. So we'll get into the mediator now. So this is the mediator page, and here the mediator can view the bookings and assign the driver by clicking this assign the driver button. By choosing the driver name here, assign the driver to that particular car. So driver assigned. After assigning the driver will get login into the website, and this is the homepage driver. Here the driver can view the bookings. View bookings page. Here the status will be as booking status forwarded to driver. So driver accepting the request and pick up the status will be changed as request accepted by driver, and pick up the customer. By clicking the pick up customer, the customer will be picked up. So after picking up the customer will log in into the website and view the bookings. Here we have the payment option. After pickup, the driver details will be added here, and after pickup, the customers will pay the amount by clicking the pay amount button by entering the card number, and this card number must be in 16 digits. And enter the customer name holder, card on the name holder, and CVV number, expiry date. The card. Pay. After payment, the payment amount will be paid, displayed here like this. The status will be changed as amount paid. So after paying the amount, the customer can give the ratings per vehicle. So here by selecting the ratings like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm giving the 4 here. And it's very comfortable. So give rating. After rating vehicle completion, so rating per driver. So I'm giving the driving. So ratings will be given by the customer, and we'll check in the owner page. So vehicle ratings will be displayed here like this, and view vehicles, view bookings, and view rate. In that view bookings, the owner can give the rating for customers. So customer, thank you for. So like this, the owner will also give the rating for customers. So after this, the driver can check the ratings in the ratings page. Drive. So here the driver can give the ratings. Here the customer given ratings will be displayed here like this. This is the customer driver ratings. So this is the driver ratings which are given by the customer. Sorry. So in that view bookings, we have two buttons like rating for owner and rating for customer. I'm giving the customer ratings. Journey. So like this, the driver can give the ratings to customer and owner. So these are the driver ratings. So after viewing the driver ratings, the owner can check their own ratings. It will hit ratings here and view bookings. Here the owner ratings will be displayed like this. Like this, the ratings will be displayed, and customer also will check the ratings here. The customer ratings will be displayed here. So, like this, they'll rate and review each other. So this is the car rental management system website. Hope you guys will understand. Thank you.